Hey guys, it's Butterscotch Bombshell here with another makeup tutorial. This is a simple eyeshadow, very sexy, golden glamorous, that's what I'm calling it, eyeshadow look. I'm going to put all the information in the description box below. If you have any questions, remember I'm an open book. Feel free to ask away. So let's jump right into this video. First, I show you guys that I'm using the Urban Decay Make It 3 palette. This is probably one of my favorite palettes. And I use Factory. It's like the fourth one from the last shade. I'll put the information in the box like I said. But I use that for my transition color. It's a really soft brown color, like a cappuccino kind of color. I use that for my crease, my transition color, so you're going to see me add that and blend it out. And then I'm going to come in for my lid, and I'm using the 24K Nudes by Maybelline. It's a really gold color in there. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a name, so again, I'll put it in the description box below. But it's the only gold in that palette. Very pretty gold. For my base, for my eyeshadow, I use just the LA color. I always call it LA color. The LA Girl Pro Concealer in the creamy beige, just to kind of, give me a base before I put on my eyeshadow, and then it just allows everything to kind of, blend in and stick, so you can say. I'll give you a good base before you apply your eyeshadow, so that if you're using like a light color, it'll be a little more pigmented. And of course, you can go in with a white cream eyeshadow base if you want, but I just use the concealer, which is fine. So you see me go back in because I used again the Factory for my transition color, and then for my inner corner and my outer corner, I use the Naked 3 palette again, but I used the color Dark Side, and it is the second to the last color in the Naked 3 palette. And I blend the transition color in my inner corners and my outer lid. I blend it together because again, you don't want any lines. You want everything to just flow together, your crease as well as your inner and outer lid to go together. And then I take my eyeshadow blending brush and I just blend them in really good. And I just wanted those colors on the outer corner and the inner corner, so you'll see me blending those in here. Then you're gonna see that gold color come. It's a really pretty gold. Again, I'm calling this look Gold and Glamorous. And sometimes if you want a very defined eyeshadow, like a sharp edge, you can use a piece of tape. There's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes I get a little maybe like a little strip of a tape, scotch tape, and I just put it there because I want my line to be sharp. And then I'll make sure that you go back in with your blending brush and you want to blend out that line because you don't want that sharp line to stay there. You want to blend it out so that it blends with your eyeshadow. So here comes that gold. I apply to my lid, and you're going to see me blend that out, so that everything, again, flows together. Seems like a bit much, but the gold is really pretty, very pretty gold. And then once we go back with my blending brush, and we're going to blend, and we're going to apply, and we're going to blend and apply until I got the gold that I was looking for. This look was inspired by just a night out on the town. I didn't go anywhere after I did my makeup with this look. I do have a picture at the end with me doing my hair and my makeup, just for this video. I will add a picture of this exact same look that I did around my birthday in March, so you can see what it looks like, really dolled up, with the hair and the jewelry. But it's the exact same look I used for my birthday weekend. But it's very grown and sexy. I love it. Just something I just kind of threw together, honestly. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys this eyeshadow look. You're going to see me apply the rest of my makeup, my foundation, my contour, and all of that. And I have videos with all of that, so I'm going to speed this up. Guys, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. You know, if you have any questions, again, you know, you ask me away. I'm an open book. Any makeup tips, suggestions that you may have for me, I'm open to that as well. We all can learn something from each and every one. And again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.